There's no doubt when the Performance Package Level 2 hit the streets, everybody loved that front splitter. Well, now you can add that look to your Performance Package Mustang. Super easy install, really makes a difference, and it's cost effective as well. Check out the install and all about it. Here we have a PP2-Style front splitter fitting your Performance Package 2018 to 2023 Ford Mustang. If you don't have a Performance Package car, fret not. If you pick up the belly pan off a Performance Package car, you can make this work on your vehicle as well. It features a matte black finish, blends in with the factory plastic really well, and at the end of the day, if you're looking for that PP2-Style look on your Mustang, this is the way to go. If you've already picked up our GT500 style rear spoiler, what better way to balance out the aerodynamics and looks of the car by adding a splitter as well. This kit includes everything you need for an easy installation on your 2018 plus PP1 Mustang, so let's check it out right now. Here are the tools required to install the PP2-Style splitter on your S550 Mustang. We opted to add some double-sided tape for this install, so we'll first need to wipe down the splitter with rubbing alcohol. Then cut sections of the double-sided tape to fit between the screw holes. Next, we'll wipe down the Performance Package 1 Belly Pan where the splitter will attach. There are 2 bolts on either side of the factory chin spoiler that need to be removed. Back to the new PP2-Style splitter, we can remove the plastic film on all of the double-sided tape. Then you can bring it to the vehicle. A second set of hands never hurts to help support the splitter, but if your car is on jack stands or ramps, it shouldn't be an issue. Get those 2 bolts threaded in on either side. Then grab a drill with a bit small enough to make the pilot hole all the way across, and slowly make your way along the underside. Now we can tighten down the outer bolts. And next grab the screws with the smaller bolt heads and get them installed in the corresponding smaller holes along the splitter. There should be 8 in total. And next repeat the same process for the larger screws on the larger holes. Now we did have some extra screws that were not used, so we decided to drill into each end and add 1 screw for some additional support along the backside. And once you've completed that, your installation's complete. Now installation itself really couldn't be easier. The added security with the double-sided tape really does help. But if you do use double-sided tape for your installation, make sure that you take time to prep the surface because that's what's gonna help it last for the long haul. Now keep in mind this 2020 Mustang does reside in the southeast, which means the sun is rather strong and has baked the plastic a little bit, but a little bit of back to black, and it will be matching that new PP2-Style splitter perfectly. Comment below and let us know what else you want to see in terms of videos right here on the Steeda YouTube channel. And for all of your Mustang performance part needs, hit us up right here at Steeda.com, including the new 2024 Mustang, which is going to be hitting the streets really soon. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.